In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join two Google meetings at the same time. This can be really handy if you find yourself in a situation where you need to multitask between two meetings. Maybe you're collaborating with multiple teams, or just want to keep an ear on an important update. Whatever your reason, we'll guide you through the process quickly and efficiently. To begin, head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by typing Google Calendar into your web browser's search bar. Once there, you should see a display of all your scheduled events and meetings. Let's focus on the first meeting you'd like to attend. Click on the event in your calendar, which will bring up the meeting details. Now, within those details, you should see the option Join with Google Meet. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly into the meeting. Once you're settled and your camera and microphone are ready, click on the Join Now button. Now, you're officially in your first meeting. Now, here's where things get a bit more dynamic. Without leaving your first meeting, switch back to your Google Calendar. This means opening a new tab or returning to an existing one where your calendar is open. Look for the second meeting you want to join and click on that once more to reveal its details. Just like before, click on Join with Google Meet and a new tab will open up. When you are ready, press Join Now to enter the second meeting. You are now in both meetings simultaneously. But let's face it, managing multiple audio streams can be challenging. If one meeting is of higher priority, or if you'd simply prefer to lessen the noise, there's a nifty solution. If you want to mute the audio from one of the meetings, navigate to the tab of the meeting you'd like to mute. Right-click on the tab, and from the options, select Mute Site. This will silence all sound coming from that particular meeting while still allowing you to see everything that's happening in it. There you have it. You're efficiently participating in two Google meetings simultaneously. Just a little tip. Keeping your tabs clearly labeled can help avoid confusion, especially when jumping between discussions. Hopefully, this gives you the flexibility to stay connected, informed, and efficient during your busy day without missing a beat. Happy multitasking, and thanks for joining us today.